my boy's 21st birthday. Tristan, keep grinding. You, Eternal, you guys gonna blow up. Keep working, bro. I love y'all.
The fact that we were able to open this has created like opportunities, if anything, just for friendships, you know, just for them to know that they have friends and they have a family. And, you know, if they're down someday, they could just pull up and they leave better.
Back and I'm better.
Back and better?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ready to shotgun a beer? Well,
Let's get it.
yo. I finessed it. I put it on the self scanner, right? That shit's $30, bro.
Yeah, it looks huge.
They
Yeah.
charged me Corona seltzers. We got fucking a 24-pack.
So that means you have to shotgun 2 right now.
Yeah, I'm down.
I gotta check the pairs to make sure that both look good.
Yeah.
There's no like defects, or sometimes when they get tried on in store, they'll have a little black mark on the bottom. Whenever I want to like liquidate stuff real quick, or
Yeah.
just like stuff's been sitting and I want to just like liquidate it, I'll dump it on StockX. I have a level 5 seller account, so we have always the transaction fee and like commission fee that they charge.
Yeah.
Which is 6%. When you first start off, it's like 12%. So I get like better payouts than the average seller. So I'll just sell them on there, and then I have a same day payout. So right now when I go drop them off, like within the hour, they'll send me the payout already to my
Oh,
PayPal.
shoot. So you know Hugo and Nick first?
Yeah, I've
Oh,
known
okay.
them since like second, third grade. And then I met them when Hugo called me to do like some metal work for them, like the gates, the mesh on the windows.
Welded that, and you painted it too, no?
Yeah. No, I think you guys painted it.
So that's what you used to do before, just like metal
Yeah,
work and
just
stuff?
welding and stuff like that. I did the sign for them too. I did the metal cutout for the sign.
They helped us install the sign and
Dude.
just never left.
Our end goal isn't just money. Like there was this one kid that came in one time. He walked in and he was just like amazed at the shop that we had. He was just like naming all these different shoes. I just want something that could bring everybody together. It's just a big community that we could all just share and love. I want to make it something where it's bigger than just a shoe store.
Well, actually, maybe. Did I have you in kindergarten? No, huh?
Nah,
It was
first.
like first grade or second.
Mr. Ramirez? Second was Miss Novoa. I think it was
I
second.
didn't have second grade.
Oh, this guy remembers his names.
And the third grade was Miss Chavez.
Damn.
And the boys here for his Mystic Navy's D.
So this is your latest not big project, but like,
Something I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I want to definitely just make these wearable again. I think they're a nice colorway. So like this one's not crumbled, it's still intact.
yeah.
I'll probably have to change the paint to match it, which is just white. So basically I'm gonna have to take off these soles. We can already just start fucking.
Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah, right? Like, it's just what happens with time and even like storage too, the way you store them. Look at that shit. Cake, right? So basically we'll take these off and it'll just be just the uppers. Basically, just put this gum sole on it.
I think they're like 15% alcohol or something.
13?
15 or 13?
God damn.
You will love them just because you could just fucking.
That tastes like shit.
And it tastes like. You ever tried a Four Loko?
Yeah.
Kind of
Tastes
has
like
that
that?
like aftertaste.
Alright, so far good. It's Friday. We're still, even with the bumps, we got good sales.
There's always bumps. There's always bumps.
Good progress.
That shit's gross. Why do you like these, Hugo?
Coffee dye. How does that work?
So pretty much the Sambas were like a bright white.
Uh-huh.
So with like an aged restoration, you kind of want the white to be more of like a cream off-white type of color. You can paint it, but since they're brand new, I didn't really want to mess with like the factory finish and everything.
Yeah.
So just soaked them for close to 36 hours or so.
Just that regular Folgers right there?
Yeah.
You actually have to brew it, or you just mix the...
So I brewed. Well, I didn't brew it. I just got like hot water.
Yeah.
And then I put the coffee grounds into that, and then from there, I just like threw the shoes in while it was still hot. After they dry, I'll probably rinse them a few times, kind of get the scent out, and when they dry, I'll get the suede dye, and then from there, dye this dark brown. This is your first test to enter Eternal Restorations. What is in the box?
Bro, it's so dark. Is that how it came? How long did you leave them in there, bro?
36 hours. I had a timer on my phone and everything.
You're capping, bro.
And,
Go, Tiagi. Bring your tool since these scared. Just get a shotgun with those. It's okay.
what kind of flavors you got?
Feeling better than I ever been. Cairo in his bag, this beat is heaven sent. Back up in my element. New whip, trunk up in the front, I whip an elephant. It's all limo tint, that's how you move when you the president.
Alright, bro, shit burn.
Bro, I knew I was fucked when I started when I came up and my tab didn't pop. I was just fucking gulping because by the time I popped
Oh
it,
yeah, just shot in.
just
Shot it
air,
out.
bro.
You had a suction to it already.
The winner.
I was gonna text him, want to confirm your appointment tomorrow for 1 p.m.
Your employment?
I have an appointment tomorrow at 1 p.m., but I don't know for where.
Your dentist.
Maybe at finish line.
Maybe at finish
What was
line.
that punk thing?
Oh,
Yo, what
fucking
the
ping pong
fuck?
show.
That fool scared the
It's
fuck
for
out of
that.
the fuck,
That's
bro.
for a
I turned around and I see.
Massage.
Yeah, bro.
Be like, hey, my mom. Remember my mom bought us
I'm sure it
2 passes?
expires.
Nah.
it says
She's
no
like under the
expiration.
table, like not
Under the table. What is she gonna do to you?
You get camera shy?
I don't get camera shy. I can look at the camera, but I can't look at people.
Oh, okay. Oh, then
Pick
just
you
talk
up.
to the camera then.
Yeah, that's
It's all
cool.
good.
Alright. Hey guys, my name's Joy, or you can call me Wildsters. I run their social media here at ETRNL, so I'm in charge of the reels, answering DMs, and posting out content.
How do you start working with Eternal?
Was mutual like through Twitter with a few of the owners, like D, and I kept seeing him post like about like a shop, you know, and I've run my own social media pretty much like my whole music career. I really like to like promote for someone or market for someone. They pretty much just presented me with like an opportunity to get better at what I do, and I ended up just like showing them what I could like help them out with. They're like, hey, I pretty much do this for myself. Like, I've been looking for someone to do it for.
Started out, I was a rebel, couldn't control my mentals. My teachers used to tell me to focus on the essentials. Every night I lay in bed, my dreams would unfurl. Now I'm on top of the world. Welcome back. Yeah, we've been gone for so long, now we coming home.
Pretty much how Fridays roll is we'll get some drinks. After we close up, everybody would just vibe out, reflect on the day, maybe have like a little meeting amongst each other. Once we close up, still everybody will be kicking it here.
Yeah.
Just kind of hanging out, and we'll figure out like the next moves.
Pick some heat up or what?
Yeah, this pack's from Mexico. These are called the Lilac Next Nature Dumps. Made with recycled materials. That's why the bottom's like that. Got like 6 of those. I got more on the way. I got more shipped to my friend's house out there, and he's bringing them right now. He's also having released here in the States. I only got one of these to see how they do. You know, the USA colors.
But it was a pretty good day today as far as like
Yeah,
sales
today
and
was
stuff.
Fire Friday, almost 4K in sales, and that's including the Boy HM of Adrian's pairs. That's not including any like dumps, like all the stuff you saw me ship. That didn't include that. If we include that, it's 4K for sure.
Yeah. Hey, Buzzball, sponsor my boy Juice Man right here.
Right here, I need the Biggie Buzz Balls, and I need a special edition Juice Gang one.
Yeah.
I mixed it in with special edition. I said,
Go again.
all right. Hell yeah. I need them Biggie Buzz Balls and a special edition Juice Gang one. One with orange, piña colada, and maybe some strawberry.
Tamarindo.
Some tamarindo.
No buzzballs. Great man. Yo, those are mine, bro. Those are mine, bro.
I didn't even get it.
Damn.
Too busy blocking out the haters.
Damn, you double blocked that.
They're a female shoe, but I have a pair.
Do you really?
Oh, yeah, they're my favorite shoe. D says I don't have one, but he's lying.
Want to be off-white 4?
Just can't afford
I'm just kidding. I like them. We're adding inventory in the system. Before I left earlier, someone came in and sold me some stuff, so I'm putting in my sheet. So I put in my sheets, my master sheet, and then I put it in the system. And so now that that's done, I go ahead and tag it up.
Dude, I can grab this one.
Damn, we got ups.
Yo, Adrian has hops, bro.
Oh,
Adrian! Vertical challenge. I touched it. I did.
damn, that's the first time I jumped.
In the fucking 85.
We had to fight to get a meal. Yeah, wrongfully accused. We had to fight.
Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Damn.
Put them on. As you leave.
Toe him.
You won't. You're scared. Put them
Bitch, I'm going home. Why would I tell him?
Put them on.
Play the month for, play the year for
Play of the year, so at least put 4 years. Put some respect on my name, sir. Nah, two. Yeah, it was 2. It's been 2. Play of the century. This feels like the fucking Kobe of car sales. We're supposed to shotgun. Bro, what's this?
We're supposed to shotgun.
Yo,
We're gonna
fuck
shotgun
you, D.
him.
I'm waiting for James.
I'm gonna shotgun this one.
Chug it and grab a dose. Let me see you chug it. Come on.
Chug it and grab a dose.
And then you get the dose and you do that thing where you do the little twisty twist because they pour it down. Yeah.
I'll do the little twisty twist and save this so I can sit.
Damn, son.
Told you.
Birthday T, finally 21, finally legal. I don't have to make phone calls to fucking bar owners to get you in no more.
Mr. Tiagi, just want to say more life, more everything. Whenever times get tough, bro, remember God always wins. I love you, brother.
Yeah, really, bro. I struggled mentally until this came along. Until ETRNL was a thing. Like, it gave me something to like pursue every single day. Honestly, it was like really like finding a purpose.